You've got yourself a T display from AliExpress, you bought yourself a lithium-ion battery with a 1.25 JST connector, and you've been to Ankodl to buy yourself an LNPoS case, or you printed one out using your own 3D printer, and the design's on the LNPoS repo. Now you need to put it all together. You'll need a precision Phillips screwdriver. First, remove the T display microcontroller from the keypad breakout board. Then take the LiPo battery. It has to be a 1.25mm JST connector, and plug it into the back of the microcontroller. It's advised that you use a LiPo battery which is at least 500 milliamp hours. Now remove the 4 little grub screws on the back of the T display keypad breakout board. You'll need to pinch the little column which the screw is screwing into, or sort of spin around. You won't be able to take the screw out. One way to do this is by using a wrench to hold it in place. Remove the keypad from the breakout board. Now take the front of the case, and there's 6 little legs holding up the 2 ridges which are going to hold our keypad in place. Remove those 6 little legs. Now slide the keypad in so it sits under these 2 ridges. This 3D printed case is really tight and a really nice fit, so everything should friction fit and hold in place. Peel off the screen protector off the microcontroller, slide the back in first to the case, and then push down on the USB-C port until it clicks in place. Put the battery behind the pins. Now take the breakout board and very carefully align the GPIO pins to the breakout board. Now you will need to burrow out the holes where the screws is going to screw into. As I said, this is a really tight fit, so it will friction fit and hold together nicely, but just for some extra security, you can take those 4 little grub screws and screw them into the 4 little holes. And that's it, you're done.